sovereignty, sovereignty act.
You all are know in past you go hither and thither for a one job, but now not you must not go hither and thither. One stop, one palace.
Can you speak here? 1 to 1 come here now. Which man come here now? Now my country, that's United Kingdom of my country. Which man comes from here? I put 1 to 1 dialogue here.
On right to food and food sovereignty act कार्यक्रममा सहभागी.
The ministry has reformed several investment related policies and rules which include FITA, SAGE Act, the Intellectual Property Act. In Nepal and in past, this is big problem, but now not problem. I request to you faith to facilitate procedure one-stop service center is being established. You know, people, you all are know in past you go hither and thither for a one job, but now not you must not go hither and thither. One stop, one palace. The introduction of automation, you know everybody about automation, no time to explanation. Online payment system and automatic route will ease the environment for doing business. Sometimes we do so many things, but in data, who give us mark do not aid also, and our some officer also do not put which he did, do not put. So this is also problem, but our business doing is not bad. We are going to up, but slowly. So we ready now. You know, you people know, we are in totally other palace, politically, and our mindset is also new, not old, because in past FITA, if FITA come, then everything lost. But now we know, we understand what is FITA. Without FITA, we can't do anything. So our Prime Minister, our all sector, welcome to you. Come to investment. And somebody thinks our money, what will be our money? And our Podarji answered, no problem. To return money, no any problem. You can easily, but follow our law and regulation. Backside. And I feel when I'm young and read the novel of Major Colonel Ranjit, some person in shadow, and they meeting in shadow, not their light. And so other chance I request to
I fully understand, Honorable Ministers.
How are you? Are you fine?
है
Are you fine?
हाउ यु गोइङ माइट्स बुझिसक्नु भयो बोलाएको छ कि छैन हाउ यु गोइङ माइट भनेर तपाईँलाई कुनै अजीले अहिलेसम्म
Say, as a we want to talk to the all Australian peoples and Australian politicians, but I can talk to speak English. But I don't like English. I am the parliament member of in Nepal.
Mr. President, Excellencies, distinguished delegates, ladies and gentlemen. At the outset, let me congratulate you, Mr. President, on your election to this important position. Let me also appreciate the Director General for this comprehensive report on the Women at Work initiative, with not only sums of the structural and other constraints, but also provides pragmatic suggestions for the attainment of the gender equality and justice in the world of work. Let me share to this august gathering that historic achievements have been made in Nepal over the last 1 year in the socio-economic and political spheres. The labor sector has also made a remarkable progress. We have successfully completed the election to the 3 tiers of government, federal, provincial, and local, under the new constitution. It has kindled hope among people for stability and development. It is also important to mention that the local election came up with 41% women elected in representatives. On the labor front, after the constructive engagement of all stakeholders, we enact a new Labor Act 2017 in line with the ILO fundamental principles and right at work. The regulations required for effective enforcement of the Act has also been adopted. The most important aspect of new Act is that all workers are covered within jurisdiction. Enactment of a contribution-based social security law is another important milestone in this direction. Within a couple of years, this system would be implemented in a full-fledged manner by engaging the informal sector also. In addition to this, we have prepared a master plan to eliminate all form of child labor by 2025. We are also in the process of finalizing a national policy on occupational health and safety. Mr. President, with these labor laws, policies, and initiatives at hand, we are committed to expanding decent and gainful employment opportunities and fair labor practices, enforcing labor audit in line with the spirit of new laws, eliminating child labor, strongly dealing with workplace violence and sexual harassment, and lastly, establishing and operationalizing the quasi-judicial mechanism to deal with labor disputes. Mr. President, Nepal preferred to make foreign employment not an option rather than compulsion. For this purpose, the flagship Prime Minister Employment Program seeks to create massive decent work opportunities for the youth through skill enhancement and entrepreneurship development. It also ensures a minimum employment guarantee to the people, deprived areas and marginalized communities. Nepal looks forward to finalize and subsequent adoption of the goal compact of safe, orderly and regular migration. We have commenced decisive action to ensure fair recruitment and control fraudulent activities. As the current chair of Colombo process, Nepal is effortful in making labor migration safe, predictable and well managed for the benefit of all. Nepal respects and implements the principle of social dialogue and tripartism. The Central Labour Advisory Council is now in operation in a national forum for consultation and dialogue on labor issues. Mr. President, before I close, let me take this opportunity to extend our thanks to the ILO and other development partners for their continued cooperation and support in promoting decent work, social dialogue, tripartism and right at work. As ILO approaches the centenary celebration, there is an imperative to promote and consolidate decent work opportunity for every individual worker in the world. Nepal would be happy to join this noble initiative. Thank you.
Question, I think it's from this side. So, since I think you want freedom, also freedom to enjoy New York.
Thank you. My name is Alejandro. I'm a sophomore majoring in statistics and political science. Your Excellency, as you have rightly emphasized on the lines of climate change, Nepal, despite being landlocked, is intricately connected to the global environmental ecosystem, including the oceans. Given the shared responsibility we all have in protecting the planet, how would you incentivize coastal nations to mitigate ocean contamination, recognizing that such pollution and its far-reaching impacts ultimately affects the high-altitude regions of the Himalayas and the promise of, as you call it, a happy Nepal? What diplomatic or multilateral approaches might Nepal advocate to ensure that the preservation of the oceans becomes a collective priority, given its vital link to the mountains of Nepal and climate change all around the world?
That's a large question, so I'll leave it to you to answer as you wish.
Yeah. Thank you very much for your question. Again, you raised a question about conservation, climate, etc. How many questions were there?
Excuse me?
How many questions were there?
Well, he's asking the effect of the oceans as well on yours, and what is your position, and how do you handle it? You are landlocked, so you may not.
Yeah. Ours is a diversified country. Very, very natural diversity. And similarly, there are diversities among the animals, grasses, plants, etc. And animals, fishes, birds, everything. We are conscious about to protect those animals. We have elephant, rhino, and so on. We have dolphins, yaks, etc. at the hilly areas. In the mountain areas, we have elephants and yaks, etc., gandas, etc. And peacock and other different types of, more than 6,000 or more birds we have. Similarly, varieties of fishes, varieties of animals, and so on.
यो जेनजी युवाहरूको रिभुलेसन that matter center point you are topics here that other option no. Why your Genji revolution is the other option question here? Can you speak here? 1 to 1 come here now. Which man come here now? My country, that's United Kingdom of my country. Which man comes from here? I put one-to-one dialogue here. Comes here now. Any boys comes here now. One-to-one dialogue me. United Kingdom of my Nepal. Which man come here? 1, 2, 3. Comes here one-to-one to dialogue. I am here. Comes here now.